Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we'll solve the fourth challenge of Data Cloud for Admins module. The name of the challenge is Manage Your Account. Let's move to the challenge. So we have some theory questions here. Let's solve the first one. True or false? A functional domain refers to where your instance is located in the Salesforce public cloud infrastructure. So yes, that's true. With the help of functional domain, we can locate our instance in the Salesforce public cloud infrastructure. Let's move to the second one. Which maintenance tasks help an admin identify recent changes made to the account object? View login history, this is false. Monitor identity resolution processing history, this is also false. Review the setup audit trail history. So yes, C is the right answer for the second question. So with the help of audit trail history, we will be able to identify the recent changes made to the object. Let's check whether we have done it correct or not. So yes, we have completed this challenge and got 100 points for this. See you guys in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you.